Take a ride in 2019 Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, front-wheel drive, MP3 player, power door locks, CD player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.